Hello, everyone. I'm Arnie Feliciano. I'm a Motive Power student. My student number is 4513875. Here is my identification card. Okay, so I will be sharing with you the alternative fuel. What is it? What impact does it bring? And what are its benefits? Use of fuel today is very important to us because we use it to produce energy, heat, and electricity, and to power engines. With the large amount of fuel we consume every day, greenhouse gas emissions and global warming are at the forefront of critical issues we are facing because we've been using conventional fuels for a long time, which is harmful to the environment, and the usage of conventional fuel is so high that the sources have been depleted to a great extent. The good news is we discovered some alternative fuels that can reduce our dependence on conventional fuels. The difference between the two is that conventional fuel produces carbon dioxide and uses non-renewable sources, while the alternative fuel is not. So, what's the importance of choosing alternative fuels? It protects against global warming. It is biodegradable, non-toxic, renewable sources, economical, and it reduces pollution and emission. And here's some of the list of alternative fuels that we can use today: alcohol, hydrogen, electricity, compressed natural gas, emulsified diesel fuel, propane, and plastic fuel. Alcohol as alternative fuel. The researchers improved the awareness of environmental protection. So they developed the usage of alcohol as fuels, particularly to ethanol and methanol. In internal combustion engines, produces more combustion pressures compared to gasoline, and alcohols have higher octane ratings that can increase power and fuel efficiency. It also has a lower evaporative emissions that decrease the release of toxic gases into the environment. Methanol is a byproduct of wood distillation, while the ethanol is made by fermenting sugarcane, corn, and grains. The disadvantage of these alcohols is that they are very corrosive and need special materials for storage and delivery. In ethanol, the vapor pressure is a problem during cold weather. Hydrogen as alternative fuel. It is a new technology that is still developing, like electric vehicles. In US roads right now, there are only 17,000 hydrogen-powered vehicles, and all of them are in California. It can also store up to three times as energy as conventional natural gas. It only emits water vapor, which is zero emission. The next is the electricity as alternative fuel. Electric vehicles nowadays are becoming popular, but there are always disadvantages like lack of charging station, high voltage battery replacement costs, and certified technician that can repair EVs. It is considered an alternative fuel under the Energy Policy Act of 1992 by US government. Electricity is used as a fuel in the form of batteries and a fuel cell. Fuel cells uses hydrogen and oxygen reaction resulting into the production of energy. For vehicles, it would mean no emissions. And the good news is electricity has a lot of resources to harvest in. Next is CNG, also known as compressed natural gas. It is safer to store. It has much lower emission after burning also. It lubricates the combustion cylinders, can achieve more fuel efficiency, does not produce any poisonous gases. The disadvantage of this is that the refueling infrastructures are very limited right now. Next is the emulsified diesel as alternative fuel. It is the addition of water to blend with diesel fuel to reduce carbon dioxide. On this illustration, it helps improve the combustion within a diesel engine. It also helps reduce the depletion of fossil resources. Diesel water emulsion also has a potential in reducing NOx, the nitrogen oxide, and particulate matter emissions of diesel engines. The disadvantage of this is that if the temperature exceeds the boiling point of water, the emulsion may be destroyed through the evaporation of water droplets. In general, the engine power decreases with water content due to lower heating value of emulsion compared to pure diesel fuel. And then next is propane as alternative fuel. It is a liquefied petroleum gas known as propane autogas. It is used for decades in homes, heating, industrial equipment, vehicles, and at rural areas that do not have natural gas. It also has a high octane rating, which is good for vehicles that produces more power and fuel efficiency. And the vehicles can go farther on one tank as compared to other fuels. It is also colorless and odorless. It produces lower carbon monoxide and greenhouse gas emissions. Uh, the disadvantages of this is it is prone to fire, it is sensitive to in temperature, and it is costly compared with natural gas. It is also not as widely available as gasoline. With those alternative fuels, I conclude that alternative fuels can completely replace fossil fuels in the future. More technology can be developed to use more alternative fuels than conventional fuels, and alternative fuels will save the earth from pollution. So that's it. Here are the reference that I use in this presentation. So thank you everyone for listening.